even though they're just one of the many groups that would have been in this area. But that's because we know a lot about the Stony. They actually come back here every single year. They go out to Spirit Island, so the same place that we're going today, and they use that area to perform various ceremonies. So they perform healing ceremonies where they take water from the lake, which they believe has healing properties, use that to give health to some of the members of their group that might need it. They do peace pipe ceremonies, which involves smoking tobacco out of a ceremonial stone pipe. Direct your attention down to the water. You might have noticed the color has changed quite a bit since our beginning of our journey today. It's gotten a lot more blue. That is from our glaciers. So whenever you see this distinct blue-green color, you know there are glaciers nearby. What's happening here is actually pretty interesting. When the glaciers are melting, they're sliding down the sides of the mountains very slowly. They scrape up against the rock underneath them, grind up that rock into a very fine powder called glacial silt. So it's just microscopic pieces of rock. They're so small that you actually can't see them with the naked eye. Once that rock gets washed down into the lake, it spreads out. And those pieces are actually about the same size as the wavelength of blue light. So when the sunlight strikes the water, it actually scatters the blue light. That means it changes the direction of the light ray. That happens over and over again. The blue light bounces around before eventually coming out to your eyes. And that's a process called a Rayleigh scattering. It's actually the same thing that happens up in the atmosphere to make the sky blue. But out there it's off of little bits of gas and dust. You might be looking around and you might be saying, Dan, I'm really thirsty and that water looks very refreshing. Can I drink this water? And while you might be able to get away with it, I would definitely suggest not doing so because you're essentially drinking powdered rock. Not very good for your digestive system. If you were to drink enough of this water, it can actually act as a natural laxative, and we still have a 40-minute boat ride home, so keep that in mind.